Sir.
Apart from that, sir. Abeg, this if he ignites, sir.
Oh boy, it's crude.
No, I entered there, I got there. Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh boy. Na crude.
Yeah, these are finished problems.
Okay. Evacuation.
Come on. Come on.
Safari Hotel. Safari Hotel. Thank you very much. He owns this dump. And the other accomplices, one Fubara or Haka, is also part of it. Just honestly, what I consider is going on is that this obviously cannot be solved. This problem cannot be solved by the local government. What I see is that there is a concerted effort by the federal government to continue. Having seen that your government has provided nearly everything for this state. This is the only problem they think that can make the people of Rivers State begin to continue to complain about your government. But God in heaven knows that this is beyond us, because the petroleum and its allied are in the exclusive list. But thank God for your boldness. The Rivers people are now aware that he promised that they were going to see how to bring in this technology. How do you bring this kind of technology? On a daily basis, people born and roast here. The whole community, Ibaa community, has been taken over by this trade. And when you talk, they say, look, if you don't do this, they will go back to the road or begin to carry arms. And I say to them, you don't dig a hole to cover another hole. Your business, your right stops where mine starts. Your business shouldn't kill me. Honestly, just because of the broadcast you made, it has enabled us to see the sky. Here in Emohua Local Government, hitherto, we don't even know which one is heaven and which one is hell. Now we can breathe fresh air. So this is what we see here. When we move from here, sir, we'll go to Rumuji, where a whole refinery, bigger than the Kaduna refinery, is in process.
Okay, no problem.
All this area, not only here, here is just one spot. As I want the last spot, across the road, just total.
Okay, we move.
Come back. Pedro, come on.
That is not born. That's the normal procedure. Okay. It's not born.
Phone.
Fire, put fire, mismanagement of activity, pressure from the smell. Like one, lie down.
Come back.
We want to fight it.
There's no government yet.
We're going to we cannot see it's not possible.
There's what you need to see here.
You got to see how to move to America now. Because of the time. There are some houses, good people there. They are dog depots for the good houses. Yes, in front there. These are how they make us of conveying the product. They use all this, so I deflated this one this morning. Photo them. When the trains come, it's empty. So let me commend you of your efforts to fight crime. Like the Honorable Chairman said, crude oil or petroleum products are under the exclusive list. But what I'm talking about is the safety of rivers people. Because it's more important to me. I'm not interested. But you can't be doing this and be killing my people. No reasonable government will allow that. And I can tell you, with all due respect, we'll take this matter. Where's the Attorney General?
I'm here, sir.
We'll take this matter very serious. Attorney General, all these matters with police, you have to retrieve the files so that we can prosecute the matter on our own. On our own. I don't want any compromises anywhere. And then too, it will not be in the ministry. You have to constitute a legal team. Go and get our friends all over the country. Constitute a legal team so that we can do this prosecution to the last. Nothing like, oh, you know, the police didn't come to you, or Minister of Justice didn't come to you. I will not allow that. So it's a serious matter, and I'm going to take it. If it's a war, it's not poor people, they're a cartel.
Yeah.
You must go and arrest that Chief WJ Watcher, he must arrest that
Fubara
Ohaka. And one
Chief province is
you must arrest them. You must. It doesn't matter how highly placed you are. If you like, be the paramount ruler. If any traditional ruler that is involved, pick him for me. Yes, sir. Let him understand that the law does not respect anybody.
All right, sir.
You must. It does not matter. But we must confront this headlong. We must confront it. If not, our people continue to die. Even you are not safe.
You are right, sir.
You're not safe. Cancer, this and that and that. Look at how every day in your house, look at how black the suit. I mean, how can we allow that? So this one we can solve it. And I can assure the people of the River State, we will fight this matter headlong. I will fight it to the last. Until I leave office, I will fight. Whether you are a big cartel, of course you don't crime. When you're fighting crime will fight you back. So we are prepared. Not just talking, we are prepared. So but after tomorrow's meeting, a final decision will be taken. So Attorney General, you have to liaise with CP, the police, to make sure no compromise. Nothing like, oh, they boggle up their case in court. I don't want to hear that. Anybody arrested must face the full right of the law. Must. You know what we are doing with Saipan. How they defrauded us. And we say we must go to court. It's no amount of blackmail, no amount of sentiment. If you are caught. So these three chiefs here, or whether these three big men, they say from this Ibaa, and all those products in the houses, you must go after them. Let them tell where they go, where they got the product.
We'll do that, sir.
Enough is look at what is happening. People they are also dying. But me, I want to live until God calls me. If I die through this way, it's not God that said, it is we that allowed it. So I don't want to die that way. I will die the day God said I will die. So we must stop this illegal refinery. We must stop it. And I said to the federal government, if you're not willing to do anything, don't promise people. Don't promise people. You told you do model. How can you allow this model? How? And the DPO that was involved, please tell IG. I have no right to dismiss the police officer. But I tell IG, I don't want the man again in my state. People should take him to another state to do oil bunkering, not River State. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.